Hello everyone, CAT 2020 slot 1 analysis is out. Let me tell you that the difficulty level of CAT 2020 was slightly easier compared to CAT 2019. Now I'll go into section wise how many questions were there and what was the difficulty level of each of the slots, each of the sections. Verbal mein there were 26 questions, there were 4 RCs, number of questions were 4, 4, 5 and 5. Two RCs were slightly moderate level, others were easy to do. There were 8 questions from VR section. Overall difficulty level of VA section was easier compared to last year. I'll say easy to moderate. Now coming to DILR, there were 24 questions. The small surprise was that this year we had questions sets which had 6 questions, as in there are those 2 sets जिसमें 6 questions थे, 6 questions. There were 3 sets which had 4 questions each. Also, in terms of questions, there was 1 question which had 4 sets of set theory. So this was a major change, means as in second time in CAT's history we had questions from 4 set theory. The difficulty, these sets were doable. We didn't have any tabular or graph based DIs. Mostly questions were LR based. Calculation means average वगैरह and percentage का calculation था, but directly table and graphs were not there. Easier compared to last year for sure. The overall difficulty level I'll say is easy to moderate, because generally we get a moderate to difficult level of DILR in last 3 years. So that is the assessment from DILR section. 24 questions. QA was slightly difficult compared to last year. Total 26 questions were there. There were, as usual, from arithmetic we had 40% of the questions, around 10 questions were from arithmetic. Algebra, quadratic equation, log and surds, there were a lot of questions, okay, around 7 to 8 questions were there. Then coming to geometry, 3 to 4 questions were there from geometry. Overall, I'll say this question was lengthier, this paper was lengthier compared to CAT 2019 in terms of the questions were lengthy to solve. There were a lot of questions required calculation, a lot of calculation. So moderate level, the difficulty level of this paper was moderate to difficult. I'll say quite similar to CAT 2018 QA paper. So overall, if you see 76 question in CAT 2020. Compared to last year, it was easier, a bit easier, so I expect the cutoffs will be a bit higher. So tune in to our YouTube channel at 7 PM tonight for detailed analysis of slot 1, slot 2 and slot 3. Thank you very much.